In this video, we'll be walking you through the VStitcher Colorways workspace and showing you how it helps to work effectively and more creatively in real time. The Colorways workspace is particularly useful when working with seasonal carryover styles, as you can create entirely new colorways for your styles in just a few clicks. Let's start with the pre-made garment, which already has the fabrics, threads, artworks, and trims in place. To get to the Colorways workspace, we go to the top left of the main toolbar, click the Workspace selector, and choose Colorways. There are a couple of different layouts available. The Colorways workspace default view displays all the colorways and their components as a list. The Colorways toolbar has more viewing options. We can click Grid View to toggle between a grid view of the preview images only and the regular view. We can click 2D window to toggle between displaying the 2D window or hiding it. We can click 3D window to toggle between displaying the 3D window or hiding it. Let's display the 3D window. One of the Colorways workspace advantages is that when you change one of the materials on the left side, for example changing colors, you see the results instantly in the 3D window. Let's create some more colorways for this style. We start by cloning the current colorway and renaming the new one. On the left side, we see the colors that we're using. By hovering over the color square, we can see where the color is being used. By clicking on it and selecting a new color, we can apply it to the whole outfit, including the vector prints. Let's create a new colorway. As before, we start by cloning and renaming the new style. In this style, we reduce the number of colors in use simply by merging the two squares. This is particularly useful when a color has different hues that are very similar. VStitcher gives us creative freedom, which lets us go back and forth as we refine our design. We can recolor just one item which has shared color across multiple items by dragging a color chip onto a material. Alternatively, we can pick a new one from the color wheel. In the next colorway we create, note how by merging colors we can also reduce the number of colors on the vector print, so we can easily achieve a one-color print from a multicolored one. If we decide to add artwork or trim later in the design process, there's a useful button, Assign to all colorways. In one click, this pastes the artwork from one colorway to all the others. Other highly useful features include the ability to unlink materials and being able to copy and paste only material physics, ensure the design workflow is smooth and comprehensive. After finalizing the colorways, we again use the Workspace selector to return to the Home workspace where we can find all the colorways and material adjustments we created. And there you have it, a creative way to work with colorways in VStitcher. The Colorways workspace has extensive functionality, offering everything you need to maximize design efficiency. To learn more about colorways, visit our Help Center at support.browseware.com.